Both ends can be
Can I
red.
have
yeah.
your paw? Can I
So
have your
Jack.
paw? Can I have your paw? Yeah.
See where Miles poos on you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're being very good, Miles.
Yeah.
We're trying to get all of Miles in the cam shot.
Miles says, "This is what you mean by butt monkeys?"
Hot monkey. Miles was very good tonight. That was our #1 rule. I was like, Miles, you have to be on your best behavior, so that means...
No barking.
Is that hurting, Miles?
Oh,
Get away.
It's okay. We'll get away from that. I'm safe. Yeah. Come over here.
Lap dog.
Come over here. There.
oh my God.
Save you from the baby.
That's a big dog.
Yeah. You're definitely not a likely.
This is really hard to get all of this in the shot.
Back up.
Hey, Miles, are you the best dog in the world or what? Whoop.
I'm gonna club the baby with my tail.
The only thing you have to watch with him is that he doesn't kick, because I've had him kick small dogs sometimes.
Yeah.
His back leg comes out like a horse. He threw a poodle about 10 feet once. Does that hurt?
Oops. Should I step in and...
He's trying to get down, so you need to move Jack before.
Okay.
I don't